I overtook you at around 150 or 155, something like that. I overtook you.
150, this will keep the lead. After it can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here back on the expressway with the 4R. So Karthik is riding my RS457. I am riding the ZX4R. That is also there on his Duke 250. It's gonna be an amazing video where I'm putting my RS457 against the 4R, this time on a controlled expressway. There is no random entry or exit or U-turn, so it's very safe on this route. That's why we are doing it. This is not the first video with the 4R and the RS457. This is the second time I'm putting it against, and 4R will be a clear winner for sure. But I want to see till how much time RS457 can keep up with the 4R. So you don't want to miss any of the action in this video, and let's get started with the video. Karthik, are you excited?
Yeah, obviously.
We know that this is going to win, but we want to see till how far this can keep up with that bike, and it's always fun to do all these things, right?
This will always get a good head start.
Head start, yeah, but that is a top end screamer, so it will win for sure. And you are like 20 kgs lighter than me.
Yes.
How much is your weight?
I'm 55.
55, and I am 76 right now, so that's good 21 kgs of weight difference.
And even the bike is 20 kgs heavier.
Yeah, that bike is 20 kgs heavier than the RS457. So if I am on this bike and Karthik is on that bike, so the total weight becomes the same. It's just the power difference then.
Go to a straight and then start driving.
After this turn. So we are starting the race now. RS has got a good head start, but 4R will kill it. 150, 160. Oh no. We are starting rolling race again. Bye bye. It was amazing. 4R is just next level. Chalo. Oh, RS has got a great start. Bye bye. Kilometers an hour. Crazy. And in between, because the power was so much, when I was overtaking, I had to let go of the accelerator in order to overtake Karthik. This is amazing. In the fifth gear itself, it touched 220. Karthik, you know what? When I was overtaking you, right, the power was so much, I was scared that while overtaking, I'll go inside and ram.
Oh, yeah.
So I had to let go of the accelerator to overtake you.
I missed a gear by...
That's why I felt suddenly it came too close, so I let go of the accelerator. Then I overtook. But amazing thing is, you know what? How much I touched? 220.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I touched 197.
You touched 197 in this stretch?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. It's like you did it with this bag also. Then you can touch 200 also. You can touch 200. I did fifth gear, 220. I saw the meter at 217, and then suddenly I saw it go till 220.
Recorded?
It is recorded.
Crazy.
Yeah. Next level tha. ZX4R went ahead. running race till 130, RS457 was ahead, and then ZX4R flew by. This is the last attempt with me on the 4R. Oh my god, RS just flew, but 4R will not stay behind. Bye bye RS. How much did you do?
I didn't see the speed. I saw a little like 175.
Acha, I overtook you at around 150 or 155, something like that. I overtook
Till
you.
150, this will keep the lead. After it's gone.
In the initial, this is going very fast. It takes time to cross 10,000. Till that time, it is maintaining that lead. And then once it crosses 10,000, that's when the distance starts reducing. Till it reaches 10,000, the distance is increasing. Then it starts. There is no keeping. Then the distance starts reducing. Yeah, we'll change now. This is the last attempt, and Karthik is riding the 4R. I am on the RS457. Now let's see till when RS457 be ahead.
Piece of cake.
What the fuck?
You know, I could have still gone.
225. You broke all records.
And it didn't even break a sweat.
In the 5th gear only.
I didn't think. I think I was in 6th gear, but 225 pakka.
So that's the highest.
I don't know if this will be able to capture.
No, that won't be able to capture. That won't be able to capture. It will capture this area. So
One more drag.
last drag of the day. Oh my god. 4R is just flying. Comparisons at all, no comparison. How much?
222.
222 this time. Next level.
Very easy.
Very easy, right? Nothing. You don't have to do anything. It will reach 220. Crazy. In the fifth gear only, right? It will be fifth gear only. So this was the result you guys saw with the 4R and the RS457. Yeah, so Daya got that flyby effect, right? So 4R is next level. No comparisons at all. So that was the video for you guys. Post your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.